Welcome to our channel, Mathematics Resource Center. Pause the video, read through the question, and we are ready to begin when you are. Which of the following figure, not drawn to scale, has an area equal to half 5 plus 4 times 2 square units? So the first thing that when I look at this question, I'm looking at what's given here. And I'm seeing half times 5 plus 4 times 2. So looking at that, something pops out at me. I'm dealing with trapezium because that's the formula for a trapezium. So okay, let me pull up the formula for a trapezium. It's half a plus b times height. So given that it's half a plus b times height, a is going to be 5, b is going to be 4, or I could say a is 4 and b is 5, whichever way, right? And then my height is expected to be 2. So the parallel lines are a and b. So I'm marking the parallel lines. So looking at this first one here, this line is parallel to this line. So that is expected to be 4, 5. It's not. So that's definitely not my answer. Coming over here, this line is 4. This line is 5. However, my height, which sits on this side, is expected to be 2. And remember, your height is perpendicular, right? So that's your height. It's this line that is perpendicular to the base. Height always meets at 90 degrees, right? So looking at this, it's not 2. Our height is expected to be 2. It's not 2. So we know that's not our answer. Coming down here now, we have our height, our A. We definitely have our B as 4, 5. Good. What about the height? There's no height, right? This is not my height because this line is not perpendicular to this line or to that line. My height has to be perpendicular. So this is my height over here. That means B is not my answer either. So I'm only left with one option. And it doesn't matter what I do. This is going to be the option I chose. But let's look at the logics. Here, my two parallel lines are indeed what I'm looking for. And here, my height is definitely 2. So that means my answer is D. And that brings us to the end of our video. Remember to like and subscribe.